In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 network sharing not working. If you're having trouble seeing shared folders or printers on your network, the most common cause is that Windows is blocking discovery and sharing. We're going to turn on the exact settings that allow your PC to be visible to other devices you trust and to share files and printers safely. First, open the Control Panel. The quickest way is to use the search on your taskbar and type Control Panel, then open it. Inside, click Network and Internet, and then select Network and Sharing Center. This classic dashboard gives you control over how your computer behaves on different types of networks, like home or public Wi-Fi. Next, look for the option called Change Advanced Sharing Settings. It's usually in the left pane. Click it to open the Advanced Sharing page. Here, Windows organizes settings by profile, such as private and public. Your PC uses one profile at a time, depending on where you're connected, and that's the section you'll adjust. Under your current profile, turn on Network Discovery. This setting lets your PC find other devices on the network and allows those devices to find you. Without it, even properly shared folders won't appear in other computers' network lists. When you enable Discovery, Windows may also offer to turn on automatic setup of network devices. That simply helps Windows recognize things like shared printers more easily. Right below that, turn on File and Printer Sharing. This unlocks the ability for your computer to share selected folders, as well as any printers you choose to share. Turning this on doesn't expose your entire drive. It only makes content available that you explicitly share later. It's a foundational switch that must be on before any sharing can work. Make sure you're editing the section that matches your active network profile. If you're on a trusted home or office network, that's typically the private profile. Public networks are more locked down by design. If you're unsure which profile is active, the Network and Sharing Center page you visited earlier shows your current connection type beside your network name. After enabling both toggles, click Save Changes if you see that button, and accept any security prompts. That commits the settings so they take effect immediately. With Network Discovery and File and Printer Sharing turned on for your current profile, Windows 11 can now participate properly in local network sharing. If you're on a managed or work device, be aware that your organization's policies or firewall rules may still limit sharing. Otherwise, you should be set to access and share resources reliably on your network.